Good morning, children. Welcome to Dende Kids School. We are very happy to see you today. Let us start our day with smiles, learning, and kindness to each other. Remember to listen to your teachers, play nicely with your friends, and try your best in everything you do. Have a wonderful day at school.
Hello, Madam Husna. I am Isaya Dende. I love coming to school. Let's hurry. Class is starting.
Hello, pupils. Good morning, my wonderful children.
Good morning, Madam Husna.
Good morning, everyone. My wonderful children. Today we'll learn addition of numbers in numeracy. Before we start, we'll start by singing a good song. The song is about addition of numbers together.
Yes.
Welcome, friends, it's time to learn. Numbers make our bright minds turn. Clap your hands and sing along. Let's make learning feel like song. At Dende Kids School, we sing and play. Learning math the fun way. Counting, adding, all day through. Math is fun for me and you. 1 plus 1, that equals 2. 2 plus 2 is 4, it's true. Step by step we add it on. Little heroes getting strong. Oh yeah! At Dende Kids School we sing and play. Learning math the fun way. Counting, adding, all day through. Math is fun for me and you. Side by side, we're learning too. Math is fun for me and you. Hey! At Dende Kids School we sing and play. Learning math the fun way. Counting, adding, all day through. Math is fun for me and you. Counting, adding, all day through. Math is fun for me and you.
Great singing, everyone. Today we are learning addition. Addition means putting numbers together. If I have 1 apple and 1 more apple, how many apples?
2 apples.
Excellent. Isaya, 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Leila, what is 2 plus 1?
The answer is 3.
Very good. Clap for Leila. Esther, what is 2 plus 2?
It is 4.
Wonderful. Clap for Esther. 2 blocks plus 1 block equals
3.
You are all doing great. Juma, solve this. 3 plus 2.
5.
Great job. Amina, try this one.
4 plus 1 equals 5.
Excellent. Baraka, what is 5 plus 2?
7.
Fantastic. 2 birds on the tree and 2 more arrive. How many birds now?
4.
Perfect. 2 plus 2 equals to 4. I am proud of you. My lovely children, before tomorrow, please remember to read your notes and finish your homework. Goodbye, my children. Remember to do your homework, help your parents, and always love your school. See you tomorrow.
Leader